Noticing transmission fluid in your driveway? Let's keep your driveway clean and your transmission running strong by upgrading your transmission cooler lines. I'm here with Kevin from Full Send Diesel, and in this manufacturer Q&A, we'll be talking about the Full Send braided transmission cooler line kits. So Kevin, what makes this kit a reliable upgrade over the factory transmission lines?
It's a good question. Our kit is much more reliable than the factory transmission lines because they're made of a black nylon braided hose and aluminum fittings, so they're extremely corrosion resistant, which is 9 times out of 10 what causes your transmission lines to leak.
What comes in the box when you order this kit?
Everything needed to install our lines will be included inside the box. You'll get your lines depending on your year and truck configuration. It could be 2 lines, 1 line, 3 lines. Whichever kit you get, it will have the proper adapter fittings to connect to your transmission or transmission cooler. So the only thing needed other than what comes in the box would be zip ties or P-clamps to just secure the hoses so they don't rub on anything or burn on anything.
What applications do you offer these kits for?
So we offer these for Cummins mainly, your Dodge Ram trucks, 47 REs, 48 REs, 68 RFEs, pretty much from 1989 all the way up to 2022 Cummins. We have transmission line kits for, and we did just release our Ford Power Stroke braided transmission line kits. So we have those for 11 all the way up to 2023.
Are these kits compatible with aftermarket transmission coolers or only the stock coolers?
That's another great question. So we offer a whole large variety of different braided transmission line kits. Some are direct factory replacement kits, that work with the factory cooler and everything. They're plug and play. And then we offer other kits, for drop-in coolers like the Mishimoto cooler or Full Send Diesel's Elite drop-in cooler kit. So we offer a large variety of different combinations to fit depending on what truck you have and what cooler combination.
How difficult would you say these kits are to install, and could one do this at home with basic hand tools?
So these kits are relatively pretty easy to install. The hardest part actually is going to be removing your factory hard lines because they're all pre-bent, weaved through the engine bay. So getting those out is the hardest part. After that, you're threading in your adapters into the trans and the cooler, depending on the kit you get, and then you're just connecting point A to point B. So overall, I'd say they're a pretty easy install for your average person, and we could definitely see them being done in someone's driveway even.
A big thanks to Kevin from Full Send Diesel for giving us the rundown of the Full Send Diesel braided transmission cooler line kits. Get one for your truck at xdp.com, and we'll see you next time.